Thiku imwe tu thutha wa thukuru wa Kirimari kuma kaunti ya Embu kugia na mutino wa mwaki na Arutwo guthukangia indo cia thukuru-ini wa Chesamisi kaunti-ini ya Bungoma, umuthi thukuru ingi ithatu nicikorirwo na mitino ya mwaki na imwe Arutwo mathukangia indo cia thukuru. Thukuru wa sekondari wa Kituro na thukuru wa Timboroa kaunti-ini ya Baringio indo cia muigana utoikaine ni hire nyumba-ini cia Arutwo cia gukoma kuria Arutwo macungiriirie kuogokerwo ni aria angi makorwo makiona ha gukoma.
I am encouraging the management of schools, very many schools, especially secondary schools, that let them manage the students nicely. There could be an iota of maybe panic. I don't want to say that because we are preparing our students to start, the candidate to start exams next month, but that much. So as government, we are asking also our children where they are, let them focus on the education.
Kihumo kia Miaki thukuru-ini ciere gitire kirakuririkana kuria uthuthuria wambikitwo mathukuru-ini macio.
That they should manage these students nicely. We have had a case in Timboroa the day before yesterday. Last night we had a case in Kituro. I have already dispatched my education officials to touch base with my administrators, my DCs and everybody to go and find out, and the police to go and investigate on what's going on.
Uthuthuria kuria Arutwo atatu ni wambikitwo thukuru-ini wa sekondari wa kiambere kaunti-ini ya Embu ukirikana ni maracungiriirie mutino wa mwaki thukuru-ini uyu kuria kuringana na mwarimu munene thukuru-ini iyo ikondoro iracokaniririo handu hamwe na kugwatio mwaki kuria hatari kindu na kimwe Arutwo marahotire kuhonokia.
We have 3 boys that we suspended on Wednesday. These are day scholars who became defiant. They wanted to leave school earlier than the scheduled time. We suspended them to come with their parents next week, and we shall treat them as our first suspects.
Kaunti-ini ya Bungoma thiku imwe tu thutha wa Arutwo thukuru wa Chesamisi guthukangia indo cia thukuru uyu, umuthi Arutwo kuma thukuru-ini wa St Luke nao ni mathukangirie indo cia thukuru uyu kuria gitumi kia uthukangia ucio gitari kirakurikana. Ngiribotera Kameme TV riturako ni wa Njiro wa Foro.